Welcome to Spring LIB.
We know that to be a solution of the wave equation, the function must satisfy del square d divided by del x square should be equal to 1 upon v square into del square d into del divided by del t square. If any function satisfy this equation, that means this it is a solution of wave equation. Now we have given d is equal to e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. Now first we will find partial differentiation with respect to x, so it will be equal to, after differentiating it with respect to x, we will get minus 2k kx minus omega t into e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. Now again we will differentiate it with respect to x, so we will write del square d del x square will be equal to minus of 2k kx minus omega t bracket minus 2k kx minus omega t into e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square plus minus 2k square into e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. Now we can write this 2k square twice of kx minus omega t square minus 1 e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. So we get del square d divided by del x square is equal to this function. Now we have to find del square d divided by del t square. So first we will find del d with respect to time. So we get 2 omega kx minus omega t into e to the power minus of kx minus omega t whole square. Now del square d divided by del t square will be equal to 2 omega kx minus omega t bracket 2 omega kx minus omega t e to the power minus of kx minus omega t whole square plus minus of 2 omega square into e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. So this will be equal to around 2 omega square twice of kx minus omega t whole square minus 1 e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. So this is the value of del square d divided by del t square. Now we will put this equation and this equation here. So we get del square d divided by del square x square should be equal to 1 upon v square into del square d divided by del t square. After putting 2k square twice of kx minus omega t whole square minus 1 e to the power minus of kx minus omega t whole square should be equal to 1 upon v square into twice of omega square into twice of kx minus omega t whole square minus 1 into e to the power minus kx minus omega t whole square. This will be cancel out this, and here this function will cancel out this function. So we get finally 2k square will be equal to 2 omega square by v square. From here we can write v is equal to omega by k. That means this function is a solution.